thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Tartelette So Juicy palette, but before I get into the tutorial, I wanted to share with you guys the Instagram giveaway that I have going on right now. So if you enter, you'll have a chance to win the Tartelette So Juicy palette, a customized Starbucks tumbler, and a stack of 3 bracelets by 2 Lucky Lemons of your choice, so any 3 that you'd like. This is an amazing giveaway, guys. Check out my Instagram, all that fresh, go to that first photo, and all of the rules will be there. So I hope you guys are able to join because, like I said, it is a really great giveaway. So now jumping in the tutorial, I'm starting off with the shade Charmed, putting this in the crease, just going back and forth. This is a great transition blending color. In the past, I feel like Tarte shades have been a little dry, in my opinion, a little patchy, but I have to tell you, this Tartelette So Juicy palette, the shades are just so easy to use, so creamy. I'm super impressed with the quality. Now going into the shade Rose, which it looks very light in the pan, but it really does pack a punch, as you can see. I just put that in the outer V and in the crease. Just so you guys know, I am outside today, so we'll hear some interesting sounds. I can't wait. So now we're going into the shade Luscious, and I'm just deepening up the crease a little bit using my famous Rimmel brush. I love this brush because it's small, but it's also flexible. So I can put shades in the crease, in the outer V, blend them back and forth. It's just a really great brush. And then, of course, I'm blending everything out so it's nice and seamless. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Nothing crazy. So now for all over the lid, I'm taking the shade Orchid and just, like I said, putting it all over the lid. Now, if you're thinking about picking this palette up, but you feel like it's a little similar to the Urban Decay Naked 3, I feel like this palette gives you a little bit more diversity. You get a lot of different shades. If you really look at this palette, the first 2 rows are the pinky rose goldy shades, and then the second 2, the bottom 2 rows, these are all bronzes and browns. So it's kind of like a neutral palette. I really like it, and I'm happy that I bought it, even though I do own the Naked 3. So then I'm going to go in with my concealer, Ride or Die Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, doing my regular concealer routine. All of the dogs in this neighborhood are barking. I can't stand it. So now I'm doing my eyeliner. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. It took me forever today to do my eyeliner, so this is what you get. I'm setting my under eyes with the e.l.f. HD powder and then putting on these lashes, guys. They're called Sex Kitten by Too Faced. Oh my god, I seriously felt like I was flying away. I love these, by the way. I took Wishful, the Brow Bone highlight in the palette, and just highlighted right underneath my eyebrow. And then I picked up the darkest shade in the palette, Euphoric, put that on the outer third of my lower lash line, blended all of that out with Rose, and then guess what? The tutorial is complete. A super easy look, guys, but look how glam it looks. And those lashes, oh my god, Too Faced, crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please enter the giveaway, I beg you. I feel like it's just such a good giveaway. I don't want it to go to waste. So thank you again so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye! Bye from me and my whole entire neighborhood.